So I'm going to explain to you what some Microsoft Excel formula error messages mean. So sometimes you write your formula and then you receive an error message like this, some hashtags, these hashtags. This means that the cell contains a number or calculation result that is too wide for the cell to display. Adjust the column width to accommodate the result. So whenever you see this error message after inserting a formula, it just means that the cell is too narrow for the number. So when it is like this, the only thing that you have to do is to put your cursor here between these two cells like this. Then you double click and the amount will appear. So this error just means that the cell is too narrow. You just have to increase the width. And then the next error message, hashtag value and an exclamation mark. This means that the formula contains text or a cell reference that points to a cell containing text instead of a number. Add the formula or cell to sort this formula. So for example, you want to add 2 and 1, there is 2 and there is 1 here. To add, we know that to add you say is equal to, then you select this, plus, then you select this, then you press enter, right? Then your answer will be 3. So maybe you made a mistake. Instead of 1, you typed in an I like this. So there will be an error message, hashtag value and an exclamation mark. You just look at your formula, check out your formula, and select the cell that has the text, and then you correct it. You then correct it like this, and then your formula will be corrected. Then the third error message is hashtag ref and an exclamation mark. This means probably the formula contains a cell reference that points to an invalid cell. The cell could have been deleted. So we have this 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, right? For example, now this cell is deleted. If we delete the cell, then this becomes hashtag ref exclamation mark. So whenever you see this error message, it means that you have deleted one of the cells that is referenced by your formula. And then we have this hashtag name exclamation mark. This means that Microsoft Excel does not recognize text contained within a formula. Now, for example, you type in your formula is equal to, let's say, 2 plus 1 like this. Your answer is 3, right? But instead of 2 plus 1, you type in is equal to 2 plus, and you put an I instead of 1 like this, and you press enter. Your answer will be hashtag name hash. Why? Because the formula contains text in it. It contains text. You just have to go back and correct it like this. Now, our last error message is hashtag div divided by 0. This is self-explanatory. It means that the formula divides a number by 0 or by a cell reference that points to a cell containing a 0. The same message is displayed if you divide a number by a cell reference that points to an empty cell. You know that you cannot divide a number by 0. So let's say, for example, this cell has maybe 6 and this cell has 2, and you want to divide them. You say is equal to, then you select the first cell, then you put your slash divided by 2. Your answer is 3, right? But if there is 0 in here, your answer will be hash divide divided by 0 exclamation mark. It means that you have divided by 0. And if the cell is blank, this is your answer again. So you have to divide by a number. You cannot divide by 0, otherwise an error message will appear. Okay, so these are the errors that I have explained to you. So may you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Free Tutorials ZW, for more video tutorials. Thank you.